Are you tired of spending hours trying to get decent drum recordings? What if I told you there's one device that professional drummers like Eloy Casagrande from Slipknot use to create studio-quality content in minutes? Traditional drum recording is a nightmare. Multiple microphones, expensive interfaces, complex mixing, hours of editing. Most drummers give up before they even start sharing their music online. Enter the Yamaha EAD10 electronic acoustic drum kit. This revolutionary device has completely changed the game for drummers worldwide. Eloy Casagrande, Slipknot's powerhouse drummer, uses the EAD10 for his live performance recordings during their 25th anniversary tour. He captures everything with just an iPhone and this single device. Here's the magic. One sensor unit clamps to your bass drum. Built-in XY stereo microphones capture your entire kit. The result? Studio quality sound in seconds, not hours. My son has been using this for over a year. His workflow is simple. Use Moises to remove drum tracks, connect his phone to the EAD10, record, and upload to Instagram. The whole process takes minutes. 50 preset scenes plus 200 user presets cover every genre from vintage jazz to modern metal. The Record and Share app lets you record high-quality audio and video simultaneously, then share directly to social platforms. This single device replaces thousands of dollars worth of recording equipment. No more expensive studio time, no complex setups, no hours of post-production. Professional drummers across social media rely on the EAD10. It's become the industry standard for content creation because it simply works. Ready to transform your drumming content? The link is in the description below. Join the revolution that's changing how drummers share their passion with the world. Don't let technical barriers stop you from sharing your music. The EAD10 makes professional quality recording accessible to every drummer. Get yours today and start creating content that stands out.